Hey guys, it's Carl. So quick little video as we got a low-key update on the 3rd gen now AirPods Pro. It wasn't even officially announced at the keynote where we saw obviously the iPhone 15 and the 9th gen Apple Watch. So obviously the big thing here, because the iPhone is switching now to USB-C, the AirPods had to follow suit. So here's a quick little unboxing. Obviously you see the big difference there with that USB-C cable going in, and tab 1, tab 2. And up comes the box, obviously designed by California in Apple AirPods Pro, user manuals, warranty info, no Apple sticker. The AirPods up top, and underneath we've got a little pull tab. And new to actually this year, we've got an extra set. So we've got extra small, small, medium is what comes stock on the AirPods, and of course large. So that's always nice. Before we only had, I guess, the 3 size options. And the big thing here, you'll see with the braided cable in white, both of these ends are now USB-C, finally. Just removing the pull tab here.
You do this for a living?
Let's just pretend I didn't do that. And when you flick it open, there's a small little chime because there is little speakers on the bottom, just like the 2nd gen. You can see that little white indicator light, which means it's trying to pair. Just make sure you update your device to iOS 17. So that should be available, I think, officially on the 22nd. Otherwise, you can't technically pair them. You'll just get this nice little prompt saying you require a software update. And now I've got these paired. You can see that little green indicator light with a device which I can't show you till Friday, but there are still a couple differences. So these are IP54 dust and water resistant, so a bit better on that day-to-day usage in terms of, I guess, resistance to splashing and mixing up with a bit of sand. I actually have all 3 generations of AirPods here with me, or the Pro models, and at first glance, it is a bit tough to see the difference. Obviously, some of them have been used a bit more than others. So on the 3rd and 2nd gen, you can see the big difference here is obviously USB-C to the Lightning. Both of these have these sets of speakers, and they both have that little lanyard attachment on the end, whereas the 1st gen AirPod Pros, that is missing that. And of course, you've got the no speaker grills and of course Lightning on the bottom. So I would say that's the biggest difference in terms of the case design. It also has, with this case, precision finding. So just like on AirTags, you can precisely locate your AirPods using obviously your phone to try to locate it. It still has that ping option to sound off from the speakers in case you can't quite locate it yet. So these have 2 times better adaptive noise canceling and also adaptive audio, so you can still hear things conversationally around you. Say you're on the subway, you still want to be listening to your music but don't want to miss your stop. You'll still hear that announcement, and it has conversation awareness. So say we're having a conversation right now, AirPods Pro will reduce the music inside, also reduce the background music, and enhance your voice so I can hear you better with AirPods, even though I still think it's weird whenever people are talking to me with headphones in. I don't know if that's a generational thing. Maybe I'm aging myself. Like, all the young peeps seem to have AirPods in. It's just weird. Take them out if we're having a conversation. Once again, maybe that's just me being an old fart. But anyways, that is AirPods Pro. Slightly longer battery life, so you get 6 hours compared to technically 5 hours and 40 minutes with the 2nd gen. On the website, it still says 6 hours for both, maybe just slightly better battery life. And that is pretty much AirPods Pro in a nutshell, or in, I guess, a AirPods case shell. They still have the same price. So 329 Canadian dollars or 249 USD. I know that our exchange rate kind of sucks, but that is AirPods Pro 3rd gen. If you've got any questions, let me know down below, and I will catch the rest of you for the next Apple videos, which I've got on deck. Make sure you sub. Peace.